Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of friendship and explore what it truly means. More specifically, we'll discuss how friendship is built and who can be considered a friend. Friendship is a beautiful bond that connects people, providing support, love, and understanding. It is built on trust, mutual respect, and a shared appreciation for each other. Friends are those individuals who stand by our side through thick and thin, celebrate our successes, and lend a helping hand during our tough times. True friendship is a journey that evolves over time, built on shared experiences, laughter, and tears. The question is, who can be a friend? 1. Strangers can become friends if there's a genuine interest in getting to know one another. This connection can grow into a meaningful friendship. 2. People from our past can also form new friendships as we navigate through life, allowing us to remember and cherish the good times we shared together. 3. Family members and close loved ones are often our first friends as we grow up, providing a sense of belonging and security. 4. Animals can also become our friends, offering unconditional love and companionship. Well, as we conclude, friendship is a powerful and enriching relationship that transcends age, race, and culture. It is essential for our emotional well-being and happiness. So, let's cherish our friendships and continue nurturing these bonds that bring us so much joy and grow. After all, as the old saying goes, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Thanks for watching this video and joining us in learning the truth about friendship. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.